The only reason your SATS is failing is because you're literally trying too hard. I'm going to be talking about the 3 things that I tweaked to get my SATS to God tier level of manifesting, where I manifest anything that I want overnight. See, the problem is that people create long movies in their head and the subconscious mind gets confused, you get burnt out, and then you stop doing SATS altogether, or you just can't fall asleep because now you're running these super complicated visualizations in your head. So these 3 things that I tweaked are actually practical things to do as you go to sleep, and it's gonna make you want to do this day in and day out. And not only that, it's going to actually get you your manifestation in the quickest way possible. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. You are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. You're also more than welcome to book one-on-one coaching with me, where if you are interested in doing SATS day in and day out, I am able to guide you and tailor a routine specifically based on your situation. I answer any questions that you have, and I'm just there supporting you, holding your hand while you get to your manifestation. So to book coaching with me, go on ritakaminski.com. All of the information is there. You just press the big ol' book now button, and all of the other services that I offer, including courses, customized subliminals, and my lowest ticket offer, collective coaching, is also on ritakaminski.com, so you don't want to miss that. This is literally the best YouTube video that you have ever watched. It's going to change your life for the absolute best. And with that, let's get into it. Number 1, you want to be applying the micro scene method. This is just playing a 3 to 5 second loop of your imaginal act. Whatever you are wanting to manifest, let's say it is $30,000 a month, you are only picking a 3 to 5 second scene that proves to your subconscious mind that that is the reality right now. You got to be thinking of it as, how would a director portray this scene in the clearest way possible? So for me, that would look like, so that to me would be a 3-second video playing in my mind of me holding my phone with my bank statement on there, and it says that I have $30,000 in my bank account. It doesn't have to be super literal. Your subconscious mind is gonna know what you mean when it sees that. Whereas if you are playing like a 10-second plus scene over and over again, it's gonna be too complicated. You are reaching out the pocket of your pants to get your phone. You're logging into your bank app. Then you're looking at the $30,000, and then you're thinking, God, I'm so happy that I am earning $30,000 a month. Then you're visualizing your best friend calling you and you being like, hey Sally, I just earned $30,000 a month. No, you are simply just looking at the bank balance, and that not only is going to be easy for your subconscious mind to process, it's also going to be easy on you. You're going to want to come back every single night and do this because it's so easy, and it's easier to fall asleep. When you're exerting too much energy on a perfect visualizing scene, you're not going to be able to fall asleep because you're so focused and exerting your energy on making it as clear as possible. So don't complicate it. It doesn't have to be vivid. As long as it's showing your subconscious mind that you right now have this manifestation, it's going to push out into your reality. But you need to be consistent with it, and you need to actually have that be the very last thing that plays in your mind before drifting off to sleep. Now, the next thing is actually kinesthetic SATS. So that means that you are feeling whatever it is that you want to manifest. So if you're manifesting a boyfriend, you're closing your eyes and you're literally just feeling the touch of flesh on your hand and knowing that that is your boyfriend, or feeling his butt on your butt as you're sleeping in bed together. Your subconscious mind is ready to push out that scene that much faster when you are feeling, actually physically touching the thing that you want. So you don't even have to visualize if visualizing is a problem for you. What I'm doing is literally just visualizing sitting on my couch and just feeling the gold plaque. I'm manifesting 1 million subscribers, and I'm feeling that cold metal on the tips of my fingers. And then I'm just hugging the plaque and feeling that square on my chest. Literally, that's it. And I've been actually finding it easy to stay consistent with that because it's as simple as possible. Because your mind is going to be so tired, you're not going to want to do shit after a long hard day, and I totally get it. Your human brain overcomplicates it, but when you make it as simple as possible for yourself, you're going to want to show up. Your subconscious mind is going to want to push it out harder because you're actually being clear with it. And number 3, it's actually playing a closed loop scene. So instead of me imagining, which to be honest, I literally did this 3 days ago and I was like, wait, what am I doing? I need to make it as simple as possible. Opening the door handle to my YouTube room, walking over to the plaque, looking at it, picking it up, hugging it, putting it back, and then just standing there, right? That is a lot of actionable steps. And I literally just changed it like last night and I was like, oh, okay, like this is actually working. I'm actually able to play this over and over again, and it's easy to fall asleep, and it's the last thing that's going on in my mind. And I had this brilliant YouTube idea. Watch this video literally go viral. I'm going to literally say that right now. I'm that confident because I got this viral YouTube idea. Anyways, I'm not walking into my YouTube room. My ass is already planted on that couch. So the very start of the scene is my ass planted on the couch, and the very end of the scene is my ass planted on the couch. All I'm doing is holding the YouTube plaque, yes, like the one in the background, but except gold to signify 1 million subscribers. And I'm literally just feeling that cold, hard metal. And it's just a continuous loop. There's no end and there's no beginning. It's just one closed loop. It just keeps it as simplistic as possible for your mind. Again, because the subconscious mind responds to repetition and consistency and that sense, the sense on your fingertips, the sensation of your boyfriend's lips on your lips, the feeling of the cash in your hands, the metal key that is inserting into your brand new house, the button to your brand new push to start supercar, your ass feeling super uncomfortable on that plane seat because you're manifesting being able to travel every single month. I used this last night and it literally worked. So I want you to try this tonight and let me know in the comments down below how it worked for you. Out of all of the videos, I am the most obsessed with SATS success stories because I know just how well and strongly they work. So I am so excited to read all of your comments. We are all about getting results on this channel. So subscribe and like this video because I know this is the absolute best video that you have watched. It's changed your life for the absolute best and it guided you to the best of its ability. I love you all so much. I hope you have a beautiful, happy, incredible day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.